Today we're going to bring a cooling fan for your actual aquarium. This is perfect if you are in a humidity that's too high or it's too hot and you want to cool down the actual air or any kind of the other bubbles that dispersing from underneath the heat. This is a perfect way to control the actual temperature. It's an on and off button here pretty much, and the fan blows down to the actual aquarium. Now this is flexible. This you can move it, adjust it to whatever you want. You could tie this down to your actual aquarium, pointing it down, directional down, and it's going to cool down the whole system. Now there is a plastic releasing mechanism, if you guys can see that, and we're going to actually set it up today in our aquarium and see how well it works. They give you the power, a timer, and additional information on how to turn this off and on and so forth. Now, if you guys can see, there's different speeds available too. And of course, the timer, like I said, on and off, timer, and speeds. I like the system. It comes with that option. So we're going to set this up today and see how well it works. Let's go ahead and do